Welcome to Dan's Custom Garage. Today we have a special treat for you guys. We have a soft cab enclosure from StarKnightMT that we're going to be installing on this 2021 RZR XP 1004. So it's a very simple installation. Strap it back in right here. And it does have several straps to secure it, which is a good thing because you don't want it, ripping or anything like that. So it is a pretty sturdy made soft cab enclosure. It does have a zipper for the window, so that way if you need to get out, you can open the zipper and open the door, which is pretty neat. This little flap goes through right here on top of the cage. That way it keeps you nice and dry in case it does start raining. All right, so there is a slot right here. If you do have a mirror, disconnect it and put it right through it. That way it has a nice flush finish. Another option that these soft cab enclosures have is you have the ability to roll this down in case you are in the summer and it gets way too hot in here. You have the option to roll these up, and you have these straps right here, and you have the other one right here. And on the exterior, it would be rolled up and out of the way of the upper compartment. And it will look like this. Opening the door on this, there's a little clip right here. You make sure you unbuckle it, and then it gives you access to go ahead and open the door. In the winter, when it gets cold, you have the ability to close your cab. That way you stay nice and cozy inside. Nice and comfortable, no cold wind chill.